Next month, join IPVM in person for a unique conference. Limited to just 100 people, you will speak at and debate the biggest trends in video surveillance with IPVM and fellow executives. Sessions include, will PRC China manufacturers be blocked out of the West? And if so, who will replace them? With the megapixel race over, how will camera manufacturers compete in the 2020s? How will cloud and subscription services change the industry in the next 5 years? Should facial recognition be banned, or is there some way to regulate it productively? What will the impact of closed video surveillance be on the industry by 2025? What is the future of security integrators as cloud makes it easier for manufacturers to sell and support end users directly? You can sign up for 1 to 3 minute speaking slots for various sessions to share your insights, ask questions, or debate. We'll be holding the event in Newark, New Jersey, minutes from the international airport, an easy driving distance to tens of millions in the U.S. Mid-Atlantic. The event will be held on October 6th and 7th, 2021, with a pleasant 70-degree average temperature at the recently renovated DoubleTree Hilton Newark Airport. Registration for the entire event costs $999 per person and includes 2 breakfasts, 2 lunches, and 1 dinner. We are limiting attendance to 100 people despite having 15,000 plus members. For safety, we are requiring all attendees to show proof of COVID-19 vaccination on-site and conducting on-site rapid COVID-19 testing each morning. Wearing masks will not be required. No sponsors, no PR. Join us for these hard-hitting presentations and debates in person with your peer executives to plan the future.